Ever tried to focus, but your mind just won't shut up? Maybe it happens when I'm trying to work or read or even sleep, but I'm stuck replaying some stupid argument or some crappy news I watched or heard that has me pissed off at the world. That's because when my mind is messy and distracted, it's impossible to concentrate. And without real, genuine focus, real wisdom never clicks in. And it's hard to feel happy, or even be joyful. I think of my mind like a glass of water. On a good day, it's clear and I can focus. When I'm carrying around guilt, stress, or regret, it's like dumping dirt into the water. But anger, well, that's like taking a glass and shaking it up until it's totally cloudy. I can't say it on camera, but it's messed up. I can't think clearly, I can't think straight, and I totally feel out of control when I have anger in me. And they hold me back from being my true self. When my mind is full of that stuff, from watching all the media, watching the news, hearing about what's going on, it's impossible to focus or be creative or to really understand things deeply. I used to think anger gave me energy. It just drains me and makes everything so much harder. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. When my mind is crowded with all that stuff, all that crap, all those negative feelings, all my focus goes out the window. Having and protecting my peace of mind isn't about ignoring problems or pretending everything's fine and nothing's happening. It's about making choices that don't leave me stuck in negativity. It's about learning how to step back when anger shows up and not letting it take over. That doesn't mean I stop caring about what's going on in the world. It just means I do not let it own me. When my mind is clear, I respond instead of react. And I can handle things with clarity instead of chaos. Because when my mind is clear, I can focus. And when I can focus, I can see the bigger, wider picture, the wider view. And I can gain wisdom that way. And I can be open to being happy and joyful. That's why peace of mind, focus, and wisdom are all connected. It's not about being perfect. It's about making my life easier for myself. Less regret, less guilt, less stress, less anger equals more clarity. And from a place of having a clear mind, peace of mind, I can actually make a difference. A lot of people have strong feelings about how the state of the world is right now. And I get it. I hear you, I get it. I'm there with you. For me, moving back here to the US is about reconnecting with what matters most. Being closer to family and friends, starting fresh, and embracing the next chapter with Miss America, Frankie, the gorgeous girl that she is, by my side. So no matter what is going on in the world, I believe in focusing on what I can do by creating, by cooking, and by sharing kindness and being compassionate and just being a nice person to other people. Everybody has their problems. I don't want to add to them. And that's what I'm going to keep doing, no matter where I am. All right, it's time to feed the dogs. It's time to feed you guys. Are you guys hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Oh, you're hungry. All right, let's go. Let's get them all going. Who's hungry? Hope you guys like this. Sorry it's so short. I'll be back with more. I'm just still trying to get my feet under me here. But it's super important for me to stay sane and have a clear head. So as much as I can sit and just breathe, focus on breathing. Sorry, I know, I get you. It's just really important that way. Anyways, if you like this, check out this video over here of when I did go to the monastery and I cooked all those meals for people and really just got to focus. I'm coming! Thanks, guys. See you soon.
Me see you thick and liquid, one bad. Me see you, believe you drive me crazy. Every other